In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to fix chat in Roblox on the PlayStation 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you can see, and as you might be aware, I am recording this video on PC, where a text and voice chat is available. So by simply selecting this little icon at the top left corner of the screen, I'll be able to talk with anyone who is in this experience using text, and if I have a microphone available, I can also enable voice chat for Roblox. A lot of players are curious if it is possible to use these features of Roblox on PC inside of the console versions of Roblox, so PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or even Xbox. If you try to go into any experience inside of Roblox on a PlayStation 4 specifically, you will not be able to find the chat icon at the top left. And if you try, even if you set up a microphone, you will not be able to use voice chat. So as of today, is there some sort of workaround? Or is voice and text chat completely disabled in those games? Sadly, as it stands today, because of a Microsoft and Sony policy, text chat and voice chat are not available on console versions of Roblox. They have certain limitations requiring the games to be over a certain age if they have access to communications like text and voice chat, and because Roblox is considered free for everyone, they cannot add communications such as text and voice because it would mess with the rating that they were given. If they want the game to be available for everyone of all ages, they need to not include text and voice chat. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that chat is not available on the PlayStation 4 version of Roblox and why that is the reason. I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.